guys, what's up? My name is Mark, and today we're going to unbox several Lasco devices to expand my smart home using Google Home Assistant. So this is a 4-part series, and I will show you the unboxing first and then how to set those devices individually. Okay Google, turn on the lamp. So I started converting my home into a smart home late last year actually. I started with small things and then ngayon umorder ako ng bago from Lasco, Philippines. They're Lasco Home, I think Home Security and Automation. So this is fresh from the delivery, fresh from Lazada. And we'll unbox this and I'll show you how to set it up. This is my first Lasco devices. It's a good investment. They have good reviews. So I started with small things like a smart bulb, a smart plug, and then an IR remote. And I'm looking to expand it further to make things more automated in my home. Okay, so ito na siya guys. Fresh na fresh from Lazada delivery. So it's from Lasco. It's from Lazada, Lasco Home Automation and Home Security and Automation. It's a local store. It has an official store in Lazada. So, ito yung, okay, as you can see, meron sila kung ano yung items mismo from Lazada. So, I ordered LED light, LED strip na Google Home Assistant compatible, and then a smart plug, and then a IR remote for Google Assistant. So, tingnan natin guys. So, I already have 2 smart plugs. One is attached to my electric fan sa taas, and then the other one is attached to my water dispenser para yung hot and cold naka-timer siya. Para kung magigising na yung misis ko, magkakape, 15 minutes before siya magising, mag-on siya para uminit na. Tapos, after a few hours, after an hour or 2 hours, nakaschedule naman siya para mamatay. Para hindi niya, lagi kasi niya nakakalimutan patayin. So, mataas yung kuryente, di ba? And then, I also have an IR remote control Google Home Assistant compatible as well. Isang ganon that controls my TV and my aircon. Pero I mainly use it with my aircon, and I time it against my smart plug na nasa fan naman para I schedule my aircon to turn off and then my fan to turn on every day. To save up in costs. So here's the first one from Lasco. It's a smart LED strip light. So it's 2 meters long, and tingnan natin later. I-unbox natin. And then Lasco smart plug. So, and then also another IR micro universal remote. So ito, papalitan niya yung remote control mo. Any IR or infrared devices, halos kaya niyang gayahin. Yung luma ko, yung isa ko is a Broadlink IR remote, and kaya niya yung aircon ko sa taas. So I bought 2. So let's start with the simple smart plug. Okay, so this smart plug, let's see, it's I know it's Google compatible, it's Alexa compatible, and it's Tuya compatible. So that's it. It's a simple plug that uses the app. So we'll set it up later. So pero 3-prong to kung tatandaan, kung titingnan nyo. So either kung kailangan nyo ng adapter para kung wala kayong ganitong socket, Yung dalawa ko rin ganito, tatlo rin prong, then tatlo rin to. Okay, so that's it. Yun lang yung lamang niya and instructions. We'll set it up later. And then this one is a IR remote. It's smaller than I expected. Let's see. Remember guys, itong mga smart devices, karamihan, ang Wi-Fi na ginagamit niya is 2.4 GHz. So if you have a Wi-Fi na channel is 5, hindi siya kakabit. See? You see? The connection is for 2.4 GHz. So lahat ng smart devices ko 2.4. So yung sa akin is, since I'm using a Tenda NW3 Wi-Fi mesh, meron siyang 2.5, dual channel siya. So 2.5 and 5 GHz, pareho niyang binabato. So all my smart devices like this and my bulbs are connected to 2.4 GHz channel. And then yung laptop, yung mga 5 GHz ko, doon nakakabit sa 5 GHz. Hindi na kailangan kasi hindi na kailangan i-set up kasi automatically namimili yung Tenda W3. Okay, so let's see what's inside. It's actually smaller. See? Okay, so it has the USB cable. Oh, may sticker pa siya if you need to stick this up. And then this is the IR remote. There. Ta-dang! Maliit lang siya. So technically, it will replace your remote controls. From what I know, yung Broadlink kasi pwede mong turuan, itutok mo yung remote dito and then ipoprogram niya yung IR signal and then kaya na niya kahit ano. I think this is the same. So it can power on your aircon, your electric fans na may remote, your TV, and other IR devices. So cute niya. It's pretty small. It's pretty convenient kasi you can stick this. Gamitin mo to. Tapos idikit mo lang siya sa wall or idikit mo siya sa table, then okay na siya. So but remember, you need to plug this in. So wala siyang socket na kasama. Like the others na ganito, wala talagang socket. Okay, we'll set this up later. Okay, so now this is the Lasco Smart LED strip light. So this is the first time I have this. So it's 2 meters long. So let's look and see. Oh, nice. Okay, so it's a LED strip. You can pwede mo ilagay sa ilalim ng table nyo, sa likod ng table, yung para sa gamers. Or pwedeng ilagay sa likod ng monitor and sa TV. And this is pretty nice. It's pretty thick. And this one has the 4-pin. So I think I've also seen in their website na meron silang extension. So kung kulang ang 2 meters, I think they have 1 meter, 2 meters, and 5 meters. Na ganito kahaba. See? It's pretty thick. It's pretty nice. Let's see what else is inside. Instruction manual. And then, oh, look, the power adapter. It's quality made. It's pretty thick. Yung alanganin kasi ako dun sa ibang LED strip na may horror stories na baka masunog or baka mainit masyado. This looks pretty good quality, and the adapter is pretty nice. And then you have your Wi-Fi module. So this is the most important one. Kabit mo to dito, and then ito is the 4-pin. Kakabit mo sa lights mo. And then pwedeng parang Christmas light, pwede mong dugtungan pa ng isa pang meter. I think there's a maximum number of chains or meters that you can apply. So we'll set that up later. So set upin muna natin itong smart plug. That's it for the unboxing. If you have questions on whether the specifications and what's inside the box further, feel free to comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and watch for the next video on how to set up the smart plug.